Hi, good morning. I welcome you all in today's episode of Parenting Talks. Often parents complained about children not liking to read or they finding mobile phones or games more interesting than books. So today we are going to talk about inculcating reading habits in children. Reading is an act of knowing something unknown through the means of language. There are two biggest barriers that are identified when it comes to reading habits. One is making a child to sit at one place to read, and second, being able to relate to the content of what the child is reading. Reading is not a one-time activity. It is a habit. So parents need to consistently sit with children to read for 10 days, 15 days, 20 days. On 21st day probably your child will come with a book and say, let's read. Exposure to flip books, textured books, picture books can begin at 4 to 5 months of age. But if you think that you have passed that age, it is never too late to inculcate a habit of reading. To begin with, there are two things that parents need to consider. One is reading age of the child. Often children are exposed to books that are very difficult to understand compared to their reading age. So it's important to understand at what level of difficulty my child is able to comprehend book and is able to relate to it. It is okay if your child is 5 years old and still is interested in books that is read by 4-year-old child. What is more important is he is able to build an association with the content of the book. Also, it is important to understand what is the genre of the book that my child prefers. Some children like fairy tales, some children like informative books, some children like detective story books, some children like suspense. The age can be any. It's always a good thing to begin with the genre preferred by your child. It's always important to sit with children and read books with them. At the age group of 3, 4, you sometimes need to explain them with the help of pictures, with the examples that are related to day-to-day life, and then they start building association. So a simple act of you reading something and the child is able to relate to it and bring a similar thing from home in front of the book is also an example of how child learns to bring association in the process of learning. It's a very good habit to have a particular reading hour at home. So where everybody reads and the child also sits with his or her books. If he has any difficulty or query, he can ask, but in that specific time, everybody does nothing else but reads. Parents can expose children to various language books. It need not be necessary that if my child is learning in an English medium school or Marathi medium school, he needs to learn or read same kind of books. A child has an ability to learn 3 to 4 languages simultaneously, where books can be very useful to learn so. In the era of smartphone, mobile games, playstations, YouTube videos, inculcating reading habits can be really difficult for parents because all these means are visually more stimulating and engaging. But if you particularly restrict some time as screen time, some time as play time and some time as a reading hour, it will definitely be a very useful solution. Even while studying, reading often gets less importance. Building concepts, comprehension depends upon how much child reads when it comes to any particular concept or a chapter. Often parents are also behind completing the assignments or child giving an ideal answer. But if child acquires the art of reading, understanding a concept and being able to express very well using own words, most of the times difficulties in academics are reduced to larger extent. May the age be any, it can be 3 or it can be 12 or 13. It's never too late to build a habit of reading. So if you think that's very crucial and it's easy to inculcate habit of reading, please make sure that you like, share and comment on our video. If you have any queries regarding that, please feel free to ask your queries. We will definitely try to answer that. Thank you.